Are you struggling to gain weight, build curves, or put on muscle? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to make a creamy, high-calorie weight gain smoothie packed with nutrients. And the best part is, it tastes amazing and is super quick to make. This is perfect if you have a fast metabolism or just can't seem to eat enough solid food. So, stick around because I will also share extra tips at the end on how to drink this for maximum results. And to make things even better, I will share 2 easy smoothie recipes you can wipe up in minutes for a healthy weight gain boost. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy weight gain and weight loss tips, and drop a comment below if you're ready for some delicious smoothies. For the first recipe, we will be using avocado. Why avocado is great for adding weight is because it is basically nature's creamy calorie booster. They are high in healthy fats. It is not just empty calories. Avocado contains vitamin E, C, B6, K, plus magnesium and potassium. So, avocado are great for digestion and they are very versatile. Banana is another weight gain MVP because it's like nature's sweet portable carb packs. Here is why bananas are great for adding weight. Bananas are high in healthy carbs. They boost calories intake without filling you up too much. It is also a natural sweetener, and bananas are versatile as well and easy to store. So we are going to scoop out the creamy part of the avocado. We remove the seed and we scoop out the butter in it. Now that we've scooped out the avocado butter, what do we do with the skin and the seed? Like on this channel, we don't dispose things. We make use of them again in another way. We reuse them, we recycle things. Nothing goes to waste on this channel. So, avocado skin and seed actually have very different uses. You can make use of them instead of disposing them. Avocado skin, this can be used as fertilizer or compost, natural plant food. Avocado skin can also be used as skincare, as hair care, and natural dye. Also, avocado skin is not edible because it is tough, bitter, and may contain compounds that are hard to digest. So it is best used as external, that is skincare or for gardening. What about the avocado seed? Avocado seed or pits, the often ignored parts of avocado. This can be used as powder for smoothies or teas. It can be used as a natural dye. It can be used as folk herbal use, as scrub. You can rub in on your body parts that you're feeling pains in the bones. Then also, don't eat the seed raw or in large amounts. And what about banana peel uses? How do you use your banana peel? Don't dispose your banana peel. Listen until you hear this. Banana peel can be used for beauty and skincare uses. It can be used for hair care, health uses. It can be used in smoothies, banana peel tea, gardening, household, and so on. By the way, I have put together easy to follow ebooks on natural hair growth and skincare using simple ingredients like avocado, banana, and so on. If you've been struggling with hair growth or want a glowing skin, these are for you. Check the link in the description box below. Now that our banana and avocado is ready, let's make a rich and nutritious smoothie out of this. The lemon drop is optional, so let's blend this up. Avocado, butter, banana, some lemon if you want, and we add a little bit of dates or honey, and lastly we add some tiger nut milk. For the tiger nut milk, you can check out the link in the description box below to watch one of our video on how to make tiger nut milk, in which you can use for this smoothie. Also, you have to be consistent in taking this for you to get a maximum result. For this first smoothie, drink it once or twice daily between meals. Also, combine it with strength training if you want to build muscle. Store in the fridge if you want to make it ahead but finish within 24 hours. For even more calories, you can add coconut milk or chia seed. Now let's check out the second recipe. For the second recipe, we will be using banana as well, some mangoes. You can actually replace the mango with peanut butter, but for those that doesn't like peanut or peanut butter, you can use mango. Mango is perfect for weight gain smoothies because it is a sweet, high-calorie fruit that blends into a creamy tropical base. Here is why it works so well. They are high in natural sugars and calories. They are rich in carbs for energy and mass. They are packed with nutrients. They are creamy and delicious, and they also stimulate appetite. If you're enjoying the recipe, you will find even more in my exclusive ebooks that covers everything from delicious meals, smoothies, and baking secret to event planning, natural egg growth solution, and so on, plus my online classes that guides you step by step. Check out the link in the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class, and let's level up together. We will use some soaked dates as well, or honey. Now let's mix this up before blending. Add in your banana into a bowl. Some oats. This recipe has oats. Peanut butter or peanuts in the place of mango. Then dates. Soaked dates or honey. Then we will balance it up with tiger nut milk. We are going to add in the combination into the blender and then blend it till smooth. This smoothie contains over 900 calories with about 30 to 40 grams of protein, that is if you use protein powder. It is loaded with healthy fats, complex carbs, and muscle building protein. Everything you need to gain weight without junk food. The banana and honey gives energy, while oats and nuts keeps you full for hours. If you have been struggling to gain weight, try this smoothie for 2 to 3 weeks and watch your body transform. Remember, consistency is key. Have this daily and combine it with a balanced diet and exercise for the best results. For even more calories, you can add some desiccated coconut. We have a video on how we make 2 different desiccated coconuts at home. Check out the link in the description box below. That is a delicious high-calorie smoothie that will help you gain healthy weight without junk food. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share it with anyone who is trying to gain healthy weight. Comment below if you want me to share more weight gain and meal ideas or more weight loss recipes. Thanks for watching, and you can follow us on our display social media handles and let us become friends. See you in the next video.